video, we're taking a look at a monitor stand from a company known as Fersgo. Who is this stand for? How easy is it to install? And how good of a product is it? We'll cover all that and more, so let's jump right in. Inside the cardboard doors, you'll find everything you need to install this monitor stand, with the exception of a Phillips screwdriver. So be sure you have one handy before starting. Now, you'll want to start off by removing the 3M tape from the rubber pad and adhering it to the base of the clamp. Next, you'll want to tighten down the clamp to your desk. If the thickness of your desk surpasses 2.75 inches thick, then you can probably loosen the screws on the back of the clamp to adjust as needed. Next, you'll want to secure the pole to the top of the clamp using the 4mm screws and an Allen wrench that was included. When all 4 screws are tight, slide the mount cover plate onto the pole and snap the 4 pins on the bottom of the plate into the back of the screws you just installed. Now, we'll need to remove the base screws so we can temporarily detach the arms and reattach for later. You need to use the thin 2mm Allen wrench that was included with the kit. Simply find the tiny holes on each side of the base and unscrew the screw. Next, we'll need to slide the base onto the pole and tighten it with the included 2mm screws. Once you have that tightened, install the pole cover on the top of the pole. We're now ready to install the arms onto the back of our monitors. Simply lay your monitor face down on a flat surface and screw the VESA plate side down to the back of the monitor using the 4 screws and a Phillips screwdriver. You'll want to repeat this step for the other arm as well. Now, last but not least, you'll want to use the cable management sleeves on the bottom of each arm to route your cable neatly. Attach the included pole cable management clips for the routing cables behind the pole. And you can now adjust your monitors as needed. So in regards to the installation process, for me it was very easy. I had no issues following the directions that were included. Total installation time for me was about 10 to 15 minutes. So who exactly is this product for? Well, anybody who wants dual monitors and the flexibility to adjust them in just about any direction. More on that in just a second. In terms of build quality, this thing is as solid can get, with the exception of a couple small pieces of plastic. The arms, the stand, the base, the VESA mount, everything is metal. I have no concerns in regards to the durability of this monitor stand. The Fersgo monitor stand supports forward and backwards tilt, 360 swiveling, as well as left and right movements. Additionally, you can raise the unit up and down by simply unloosening the rear screws on the back of the arm base and raising it up and down as needed. The included cable management clips allow you to neatly route your monitor cables so everything looks clean and professional. There are several advantages to having a monitor stand such as this. Number 1, it saves desktop space. Having more desktop space can provide a more pleasant and clean work environment. Number 2, it can reduce and potentially prevent neck pains caused by spending long hours on the computer. Having the ability to adjust monitors to a position that's comfortable to you is a huge benefit. And then last but not least, if you have a sit and stand desk, it can provide the ideal ergonomic position and versatility versus a stationary immobile stand. This monitor stand can hold monitors up to 32 inches and a max of 30 pounds per arm. Now that's a step up compared to other competing monitor stands in the market. So, okay, Lewis, I hear you talking about this monitor stand. You're saying a bunch of good stuff, but what about the bad stuff? Well, I'm glad you asked. In regards to my likes and gripes, I want to start off with my gripes. So let me be honest here. I really don't have any gripes. However, I do have a feature suggestion that would improve the user experience of this product. Instead of requiring a tool to unloosen the bolts and raise the monitors up and down, it would be nice to have a knob or a hand bolt that could be easily loosened and then tightened with your hand to raise it up and down. That's it. I'm just saying. In regards to my likes, if you're in the market for a dual monitor stand, then there is a lot to like about this product. It's durable, it's sleek, everything you need is included, and it's easy to set up. The list goes on and on and on, and with that said, I highly recommend the Fersgo monitor stand. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Also, feel free to share this video on your social network so someone else can benefit from it as well. And last but not least, if you're not subscribed, let's change that right now. I want you to be a part of my family, so go ahead and click that subscribe button. Comment below and let me know your thoughts, your questions, and your concerns. I read them all, and that being said, I'll see you all in the next video. I'll sound you later.